In this final part of chapter 20, beginning the public work, Jesus gathers his apostles at Amathus and delivers one of the clearest teachings on spiritual unity in all the records. He tells James Zebedee that he did not come to make everyone see, feel, or think alike, but to set people free in their unique personalities while uniting them in one spirit, the Spirit of the Father himself. You'll hear the beautiful distinction between social uniformity and true spiritual brotherhood, and how the identical divine spirit within each of us creates harmony without erasing individuality. We also walk with the apostles through powerful moments. Simon Zelote learning how to lead a Persian seeker into the kingdom without tearing down his old beliefs. Jesus' tender instructions on the new birth of the Spirit. The quiet 3-day retreat with Peter, James, and John across the Jordan where advanced kingdom truths are shared. And the apostles' first simple ministry to the sick in Jericho. This is the living transition from private training to public mission, full of patience, mercy, and the Master's gentle way of leading hungry souls into sonship with God. I'm Bob Keyser. Welcome back to the Son of Man Urantia Project. Today ends chapter 20, beginning the public work. Get comfortable, grab your copy of Son of Man Urantia on Amazon, and join the journey.